Most dropshippers think that dropshipping is hard because ads are expensive. The most common reason why stores fail is because of the product that they're selling. In this video, I'll show you the exact method you need to be using when you're looking for dropshipping winning products. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I'm going to show you the best strategy you use to find winning products. So if you're just starting out with dropshipping and you don't know how to verify if a winning product is a winning product or not, I'm going to show you here today exactly what you need to follow in order to see if the product's a winner and you should test it out. Number one, does the product solve a clear problem? So address a genuine pain point or unmet need that customers actively seek solutions for. This can be just about anything. Let's say, for example, leg pain. A person has leg pain. If you find a product that helps solve that problem, that could be something that could be beneficial towards them. The next one, strong emotional appeal. Does it create a wow factor, an emotional connection that drives desire and a sharing behavior? An example of this could be something to do with animals. So let's say an animal struggles with this problem and your product helps solve that problem that these common pet lovers have. The next thing is the way you demonstrate the video. This can be easily shown in action through short form video, making benefits instantly clear to the viewers. It's always important to hook in the audience, showcase the problem that this individual may be having and how you're the solution to their problem with the clear benefits that will attract them to go to your landing page and buy your product. The next thing is healthy margins. Every product you sell, you want to know what the cost of good is. How much are you going to spend for that product and ship it out to your customer? If your cost of goods is way too expensive and nobody's going to pay that high price point that you're listing your product at, then that's not a good product to sell. As well as when you're selling a product, you want a low cost of goods so you can have space to make a good offer for your potential buyer. As well, you need to understand you're also going to have a marketing cost and you need to factor all these things in. If your cost of goods are too much, your marketing costs are too much, at the end of the day, you're not going to make profit. And we want to make profit. So you have to be very conscious to see how much is the product cost for the product you're selling. And lastly, retail exclusivity. What I mean by this is do not sell products that you can buy at the local store or you can simply get on Amazon. This is a no-no. You do not want to sell products like this because they can go easily to Amazon and buy the product. They can go easily to their shop here, wherever it is, and buy the product. You want it to be exclusive to your store only. This will help your conversions like crazy. So once you have all of these key criteria, that's when you know you have a winning product. Here are the sources for finding a winning product. Number one, the TikTok Creative Center. So the TikTok Creative Center is basically a marketplace of products, trending products that are ranked by engagement or viral potential across the platform. This is an easy way to find winning products because you can filter out by dates and when they've been getting traffic to their landing page from the paid ad. Number two is Meta Ads Library. The Meta Ads Library is a great way to find winning products because you're able to see products that are being run through Meta Ads, if they're active, not active, how are they performing, how much is being spent on this ad, and all that information. So this helps a lot to verify if the product's a winner or not, because let's say if the product is being run for months or weeks and all their ad campaigns are active, that's a good sign that they're doing good and they're making money from their campaigns. Number three, always save your competitor's store. Whenever I find a competitor that's doing good, I always save their store and look at new products that they're going to be starting to sell. This is a good way to find up and coming products that other people will already do for you. You can get on those products early on and get a piece of the pie. The last one is viral organic post. If you have a TikTok page where you've already programmed it so that it just sees dropshipping product after dropshipping product on your For You page, and just keep in mind, this can be done with TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. If you have an account like this, then just scroll through there, find products that are up and coming. And what you want to look at to verify if the product is a good product to sell is number one, how long have they been posting this product on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube? And what are the results they're getting? What's the engagement like? What's the viewership like? These are all things you want to look at to verify if it's a product or not. Best case scenario is that the product's been launched in the last 2 weeks and has multiple videos with millions of views, hundreds of thousands of views, and great engagement, then you know that this is a great product to sell. When you're validating if the product is a winner or not, before testing a product, I always validate 3 things. Are multiple advertisers currently running ads for it? You want to look at this because it shows you who's running this product, what's the results like, how's it going? Are they stopping ads? Are they continuing ads? Are they increasing budgets? You want to look at all this information. Number 2, are organic posts getting strong engagement? What is their comment section like? Are people liking the product? Is it all bots? You want to look at all this information because it gives you a good idea if the product's a good product. Number 3, can I improve the offer, the angle, or branding? This is what I call DBO. Digital brand operating. So what you're doing is you're taking a product that's already doing good and you're going to improve the offer, maybe do something like a buy one get one free, maybe change the angle of the product. If the product's only good for one person and then you incorporate it as a couple's product, that's a different angle you're going to take and that's going to help you get better results. And the last one, branding. If you change the brand, you rebrand it, make it look more branded and official compared to just a normal dropshipping store, this is going to take you from making $1,000 a day to making $10,000, $20,000 a day. So if the answer is yes to all these three things, I would say the product is worth testing. So here are the three strategies I like to use when I'm looking for winning products before I actually launch the product and run it. Number one, spy tools. You can use stuff like TikTok Creative Center or Meta Ads. You're able to track competitor stores, monitor product performance, analyze ad creatives, and identify trending items across multiple platforms. Number two, research platforms. Google Trends, Amazon sellers. See what types of products are people buying right now. See what types of products are people buying right now in a large scale, right? Not just the short term, not just little things. You want to see what are the trends that are going on right now. Validate demand through search volume, sales rankings, and supplier availability before committing to a product. And the last one, manual research. Direct competitor analysis, TikTok hashtag tracking, look at Reddit communities, what are they saying about the products, identify emerging trends and customer pain points through organic community discussion and competitor strategies. This is one of my favorite ones because whenever I'm looking at a product to sell, I always like to look at all the angles when it comes to this product. So let's say you're gonna sell a product that's gonna help with males' hair and make hair growth happen. When you're doing this, you wanna look at the different angles you can take. You can do this by looking at what people are saying on Reddit, the communities, negative things about current hair loss products, how it can be better, and look at all those things that people are having problems with, and then try to merge that when it comes to your product and the angle you're gonna be taking when you're advertising that product. So here's a summary, just going over the key takeaways that I went over in this video. So winning products are not random. Products that scale consistently meet the 3 to 4 core criteria: solving problems, emotional appeal, video potential, healthy margins, and retail exclusivity. You need to use these before you actually invest time and money into your product. Next one is discovery needs multiple sources. You want to combine TikTok Creative Center, Meta Ads Library, and competitor analysis basically in order to find your winning product. No single source reveals all the information you need to see if it's a product you should sell or not. And the last one is timing beats perfection. Find products that are gaining traction now, not already saturated from the past. Monitor the metrics, competitor scaling, and viral signals to match products in their growth phase before margins compress. It's super important to watch the products that you want to sell, see how they're performing based on other sellers. And if the product is not a good product to sell in the moment, maybe change the offer, maybe find a variation of that product, maybe have a different angle when it comes to selling the product. So that's everything for today. Hopefully you now know how to find winning products and you're ready to find your first winning product and start drop shipping that product today. So if you do want to get a quote for your winning product, when you do find that winning product, there's gonna be a link in the description for BS Dropshipping. You can get your quote, see how much your product costs, price out your product, and the moment you get an order, it'll be fulfilled. I hope you enjoyed that video. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.